you can accelerate the approval process. I mean, that's as best you can do, but you have to go through clinical trials. I mean, unfortunately, whether we like it or not, it is for human use. The people who are going through these trials and, clinical trials obviously are the ones who are, lucky enough to receive these treatments. And if it works, well, they have benefited from it. But you simply cannot escape the fact that you have to go through phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. The only way to really sort of extend the kind of trial is if you can get more people in phase 3. And that's up to the company and the government if they're willing to fund all these clinical trials, which I think is really the way to go if you want more people to be experimented with the drug. But until you get the data, which basically confirms the efficacy of the drug, I don't think regulators are ready to approve them. So I think at best we can just basically rely on patients getting into clinical trials and benefiting from the drug if indeed they are efficacious.
Interesting. What's your own reading on the numbers that India is reporting? Because there has been some criticism about how, the numbers may not be accurate and that the cases could increase from here. But the counter argument there is the level of alertness and awareness with regards to this issue is so high that it's difficult to ignore or miss a big burst in cases. What's your thought?
Well, if you go by what the government has put into place in terms of quarantine centers, in terms of self-quarantine measures, in terms of making sure that any case that has suspicious signs is reported and immediately dealt with, and these are the kind of numbers now coming up in terms of positive cases and, the statistics displayed on the dashboard, well, it seems to be trending in the right direction. But I think it's very important for the government to also substantiate these kind of numbers by greater testing of other quarantine patients is what the first step should be. Because we do need, and of course they have talked about sampling in various communities, which is very positive because none of them have come out positive. So all that is basically very good news. But I really think we need much more data to be in the comfort zone and in the safe zone.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.